Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Kia Optima. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and gather all necessary tools, including a wrench set, jack stands, and safety glasses. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work to prevent electrical hazards. This crucial step ensures your safety throughout the entire replacement process. Prepare your workspace for efficiency. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands, ensuring stability. Depending on your Kia Optima's configuration, you might need to remove components like the air intake or a splash shield to gain clear access to the starter motor. Once visible, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. Take care not to damage any surrounding parts. Now, with the electrical connections detached, you can proceed to unbolt the starter from its mounting points. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. Once unbolted, carefully maneuver the old starter out of its position. Then, take your new starter and align it with the mounting holes. Securely fasten all the bolts, ensuring the starter is firmly in place before moving on. Finally, reconnect the electrical wiring to the new starter, attaching the solenoid wire and the main power cable securely. Reinstall any components you removed earlier, such as the air intake or splash shield, ensuring everything is properly seated. Lower your vehicle safely. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, and then attempt to start your Kia Optima to confirm the new starter is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.